Now.
Okay, I'm going to take all this stuff and put it in here. We've got ham, turkey, jalapenos, salsa, pickles, cranberry sauce, peaches, mayo, barbecue sauce, mustard, and ketchup. I'm going to mix them all in here, and I'm going to eat it.
Good luck with that.
There.
Wow.
There. Oh.
I need to feed myself.
Yeah, that's good enough.
This is totally insane.
No way.
He'll end up in a hospital pretty soon.
There.
I did not deserve any of this.
Sure you did.
What, you want us to get, what, your parents? What?
No.
Oh,
Okay, now watch this. The human garbage is supposed to eat all of this.
If you have any last words to say to Corey before he dies, write them on the comments, please.
I'm not going to die.
Oh, what are
Okay. I'm going to eat all of it.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Dude, we're putting these on. Hey, putting these on YouTube.
Oh.
Whoa.
He looks right now.
Here.
Oh.
Here.
Here.
Oh, French fries now.
Hold on.
Oh, take
Okay, add that in.
I'm allergic to milk.
Yeah.
What if I take the cheese out?
Here.
Oh. Oh, God.
That's good.
Insane.
I'm gonna turn
Mmm. Yum.
You can eat stairs so you can eat.
Oh. Oh.
God damn, dude.
I know, right?
It was garbage disposal.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the human garbage disposal.
Eat it. Eat it all.
Dude, go show Miss Emmer.
No.
Don't do it.
She'll tell him the story, right?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, he wants to eat it. He's willing to eat it.
So, how does it taste this time?
Awesome. He's up, right?
Are you going to do this for the rest of your life now? Hey, try to imagine it would have been like eating so many Chinese food mixed up into this.
Hold on, wait. I got an idea, but...
Amazing. Truly amazing.
Wow, this pizza's got a good flavor.
That's cool.
What?
Bad thing. I'm kidding.
I'm down.
Oh, God.
Dude, you're gonna have bad gas for the next week.
Man, oh, man.
Dude, if he eats turkey, he's gonna kill the bird. That's already dead.
Did he?
Oh.
Wait, he's... Oh!
Yeah! Human garbage disposal strikes again.
Crash and burn, just wait your turn. You might have time to speak. There barely was a lesson learned.